welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? Thanks for tuning in. If it's your first time, my name is Susan Kawa. Feel free to join the family by hitting the subscribe button, and to my old subscribers, thank you. May God bless you. Today I'm going to show you how I clip in the Kinky coily clipping in. Yes, I'm just going to clip it in my head, and as you can see, I've already weaved my hair, and yeah, I'll just go ahead and start clipping it in like so. And yeah, that is what I'm doing. In case you don't know, I'm the one that made this hair myself. I use expression. If you have not watched that video, please go and check it out. I will leave the video link in my description box below. Like this, you can check it out how I made this Kinky coily clipping in myself. Yes, and yeah. Okay guys, this is after I finished clipping all the hair on my head. So I just go ahead and weave this color of attachment, and yeah, you can use the black color, and yeah, me, I prefer this color because I want, you know, I like sharp things, so I like it to be sharp just the way it is right now. So I just go ahead and weave it, and yeah, I'm just going to use the pin just to pin it in to secure it, you see. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm just going to secure it round. Yeah, that is what I'm doing. Finishing securing the attachment in the front. Yes, I finished clipping in my hair. I'm so happy. I'm very happy because I came out with this idea, and the way the hair turns out really beautiful. I love it. I love this hair, guys. Yes, this is the final look of this hair. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Please, if you do, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. It means a lot to me. And subscribe to my YouTube channel if you are not yet subscribed. comment, share, and yeah guys, please support me, and God bless you. Until I come your way next time, stay blessed. Bye bye.